We've been asked if there is a way in CFARforLABTECH to schedule multiple jobs and run them all at one time. In this example here, you can see I have 3 jobs. I put them into a jobs folder, and what I will be doing is schedule these to run at one time. So to start, we're going to right-click on the first job, choose schedule, and put in the times when you want this report to run. We're going to set these all to run at 8 a.m. and this will create 3 separate jobs in our task. So we step through the steps. We're going to choose email, as these are going to be sent out to an email address. Enter the email address, separated by commas if you want multiple addresses. Give it a subject name if you will, and a short message. I'll just do this is job 1, 2, 3, etc. for this test. Enter your Windows account password so that this can be run at a scheduled time whether you're at the machine or not, and we'll click finish. We'll do the same thing then to job number 2. We'll navigate to that, right click and choose schedule reports, and again, don't worry about the naming right now because we're going to be deleting all but one scheduled task, and I'll explain on that as we get to the end of this demonstration. Put in your email address again. You could skip over the subject line if you wanted to for the 2 tasks you will be deleting, but I'll continue here. Putting my Windows account password in, and then I'll click finish. And the 3rd report, we'll schedule that as well. Choose email, enter your email address, and again we recommend you perform the same schedule report step each task you would like to schedule. This will not only save you time in configuring the task scheduler, but it will allow CFAR to do most of the setup tasks for you in the task schedule library. Put in your password one last time, click finish, and that concludes the first part. The second part, then navigate to where you have your CFAR reports. You'll see a schedules folder, and we're going to edit the first one of the 2 scheduled XML files. Let's give it a different name. I'm going to call this combined jobs, and I want to make sure this is set as saved as a type XML. So I'll drop down my save as type and also choose all files and save it as an XML. And I'm going to add to this. I'm going to go to the other job, number 2, edit that, and all I need to copy here is the report name parameters. So let me grab a line of that, copy that code, go back to the report I renamed, combined jobs. I already have that open, so I'll just bring that back up and create another line with the report name. And I want to do this again for the 3rd scheduled task, job 3. So I'll edit that. Again, grab just the report name parameters, copy that, go back to the combined jobs XML file, and let's put that in here, save that. So you can see I have 3 reports that will be run when this is executed. I'm going to save that, and my last task will be editing the task scheduler. So I'll now move over to the task scheduler, and this is where I want to delete the last 2 jobs, and I'll just edit the first one. So let's get rid of that, get rid of the 3rd job, and I'll edit job 1, right click and go to properties, and depending on what operating system your task scheduler may look a little bit different here. You can update the description if you like. This is just pointing to the combined jobs. And I want to go over to the triggers, and I need to change what action is going to take place here. So actually under the actions, right now it's going to look at that original job 1 XML, so I need to go to that arguments to the very end of that line and change it to my new XML file, the combined jobs XML. So I'll just back out some of the original name and just put in my name, and make sure it's exactly as you saved it in that location. And that's it. There's the name, combined jobs. Click OK. Okay, and then you'll have to confirm with your Windows account password one last time. And you've got your scheduled job. Thanks for watching this video. For all the latest links that we show on the screen here, point down to the comments section and click on them. We thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy CFAR for LabTech. Have a great day.